I hope you enjoyed that last video of me showing you around the empty apartment. We're both very excited. This is, it's a very exciting project. But anyway, I thought I'd use this video to tell you guys about some of the DIY things we're gonna do, because we are just trying to do as many money saving things as we can do. So we are gonna do our best at as much of the demolition process as possible, which probably won't actually be that much in the scheme of things, but we're gonna try rip up the carpet, which I'm gonna do today, hopefully. We're going to unscrew as much of the kitchen as we can, like unscrewing those things, taking off the doors, and then maybe smashing in the bench top and stuff like that. Anyway, today is carpet day, and I went to Bunnings. I got into a conversation with this like flooring guy at Bunnings. He just told me to get like a Stanley knife, like one of the ones that like has an inbuilt blade, not like one of the ones that you snap off, because he was like, they're too bendy, and just make cuts and just see as how much I can just rip up with my bare hands. Okay, this is corner numero uno. The guy said that I should try, he gave me two things I should try, like just literally make slits on the carpet and just try to rip it up. And then this other guy at Bunnings actually said just to try cutting the corner here and see if you can rip it from there. So I'm gonna try that first. Look at this. All right, so I literally just ripped that up by cutting that and then basically just like ripping it up. Pretty self-explanatory. Cool. Of the apartment, and I think it's taken me like an hour. So yeah, defs recommend ripping up your own carpet if you're renovating your apartment. Let me take you through. Look at that. All gone. All gone. Apart from that. Now to just rip up the like little underlay bit, which will be like even easier, and then just gotta get those bits out. Day one done. Hey everyone, it is a new day. I am trying to tackle these cabinet doors today. I'm gonna unscrew them. My dad came, taught me how to use this, so wish me luck. Okay, 2 screws out. Oh yeah, okay, that's loose now. I need to unscrew that.
Up some wooden nailed boards which have been used to hold in the carpet. Caitie is in the kitchen hammering away at some tiles. It's 30 degrees today, so it is really hot, but we're just trying to get as much done as we can before Christmas, before we go away for a short break. Yeah.
This is gonna take a while. James just showed you what I was up to, but I just wanted to show you a little bit closer. So all of these tiles need to come up. The whole kitchen is covered, well, actually not the whole kitchen, just the splashback. It's covered in these little tiles and they have to come up one by one. Well, listen, these are the tools I'm using. Maybe if I paid someone to rip these tiles up, they would use something else and it'd be a lot quicker. But anyway, for the time being, I'm just ripping up these tiles one by one. I'll show you what James is up to. Working hard. That one's a bit of a tedious job as well, but that's fine. Not everything's gonna be easy and fast. We're done for the day. We only spent like a few hours here because it's just really hot and we're just doing it bit by bit at a time. But announcement, we've had our first injury. This one, oh, don't show them.
My bad.
Like, didn't realize he was getting blisters underneath. He was wearing gloves. He didn't realize he was getting blisters underneath his gloves. He was just working too hard. But yeah, this whole room now has the wooden bit ripped up. Surprising how long it takes because it's kind of just like shattering as we go rather than being able to lift it up. And then, yeah, I discovered that I could take these off more than one at a time, and that is coming along nicely. I had to rip this up, which is annoying, but I'm sure it's a very easy fix just to fill that up again. So yeah, that is today's progress. We've got another few days until we have to start paying people, so we'll see how much we can get done. Came back from a coffee run and we have a friend here who I think we may have just shown you anyway, and look what's been done.
Whoa, that's not what I was expecting. Well, I thought it'd be really hard.
I should go on a coffee run more often, I think.
Been ripping up more of this wood, which held the carpet in. Almost got all of it out across the entire apartment now. That might not look like a lot, but it's pretty fiddly, it takes a long time. Kitchen cabinet is out. Obviously all the cabinetry now, we're getting a nice big pile of rubbish. Things that we're trying to get flat.
Today was definitely the most productive day we had, probably because we had some help, but biggest transformation. This whole side of the kitchen's gone. And all these tiles are off. This whole wall. And I'm cheering. There was a lot more dust flying around today, so I feel like I washed my hair last night, but I need to wash it again. All the ladies will know how annoying that is. Our week has come to a close. We gave ourselves like 1 week before Christmas to do as much demo as we could ourselves before people came in, like the tradies, to do the rest of like the heavy lifting and smashing and stuff. So we are done. We kind of took the last 2 days a bit slower, so not much has changed, but yeah, we're ready for all the tradies now, which is exciting. So just want to wish you guys, well, it's gonna be a bit late for a wishing of a Merry Christmas, but Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, bring on 2022, and in the next video, hopefully we'll have some exciting tradie stuff to show you.